Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the HID compliant touchscreen drivers are missing or not available in the device manager, then please watch this video. So we'll search for device manager in the Windows search bar and we will open the device manager. I'll expand it. Now I have the HID drivers here, the human interface devices drivers here, and I'll also have the touchscreen device drivers here, though I do not have a touchscreen. So the first solution will be to click on view and click on show hidden devices. When you click on show hidden devices, all drivers will be showing here, and if the HID driver that you need is not in the list, then try the second solution. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. I'll mention this command in the description section of this video. Hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting for problems and it will replace the driver if needed. After this, you can restart your computer. Right click on start, shut down and sign out, and then restart your computer. One more case can be that your screen might not be a touch screen at the first place. Like I don't have these drivers because I don't have a touch screen, or the touch screen might not be connected. So you can also check for the hardware part to this problem. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We really need subscribers.